Hello everyone, welcome to Arunachal classes. Here we have a question from chapter 11 sound. It is an in-text question of page number 132. The question is calculate the wavelength of sound wave whose frequency is 220 Hz. When frequency is 220 Hz, it means it is 220 cycles per second. Means in 1 second how many times the oscillation of vibration is taking place. So that is 220 cycles is happening in 1 second, and speed is 440 meter per second in a given medium. So what calculation we need to find? We need to find the wavelength. So we can see that frequency, that is nu, is given as 220 hertz. Speed of the sound wave is given as 440 meter per second. As per the question, we need to find the wavelength, that is lambda, that is the question mark. Now we have a relation between frequency, speed and wavelength, that is nu is equal to speed upon lambda. So we can just replace lambda and nu. So lambda will be equal to speed of sound wave divided by frequency. So as per the question, the values which are given here, it is 440 meter per second, the speed of sound wave given, and frequency is 220 hertz. So hertz I can write down as cycle per second. So it will be, we can just divide these two values. So 220 1 ja and 220 2 ja. So it will be 2 meter. The wavelength of sound wave as per this question will be 2 meter. Hope you will understand this.